Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you the amazing Queen's Park Garden Festival in Toowoomba. This annual event is a must-visit for anyone who loves all things green and growing. So, let's dive right in and explore the highlights of this fantastic festival. The Queen's Park Garden Festival is a celebration of Toowoomba's rich gardening history, and it's a fantastic opportunity for both locals and visitors to learn, share, and enjoy the beauty of gardening. The festival is held in the picturesque Queen's Park, which is a stunning 25-hectare garden oasis in the heart of Toowoomba. One of the most exciting aspects of the festival is the chance to learn from some of the best in the industry. There are a variety of workshops and talks on offer, covering topics such as sustainable gardening, native plants, and even cooking with herbs. These sessions are led by experienced gardeners and horticulturists, so you can be sure to pick up some valuable tips and tricks. Another highlight of the festival is the opportunity to shop for unique and beautiful plants. There are over 100 stalls to explore, each showcasing a variety of plants, seeds, and gardening tools. You'll find everything from rare and exotic species to hard-to-find native plants, and even some quirky and fun novelty plants. Of course, no festival is complete without a little bit of fun, and the Queen's Park Garden Festival has plenty of that to offer. There are live performances, street performers, and even a dedicated kids zone, where little ones can get their hands dirty in the garden. The festival is a great opportunity to meet other garden enthusiasts and share your passion for plants. There are also guided tours available, so you can learn more about the history and beauty of Queen's Park. So, if you're in Toowoomba during the festival, make sure to check it out. It's a fantastic way to spend a day, and you're sure to leave with a newfound appreciation for gardening. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting garden events and tips. Until next time, happy gardening.